Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC using the latest update. If you want to make your chats more fun and expressive with a GIF, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already, just launch the app and make sure you're logged in. You can easily log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the chat where you want to send the GIF. It could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, whatever works for you. Now, inside the chat, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a little icon that looks like a smiley face. This is the sticker icon. Click on that to open the sticker and GIF options. Next, at the top of the window, you'll see two tabs, Stickers and GIFs. Since we want to send a GIF, click on the GIFs tab. Once you're in the GIF section, you can either scroll through the popular or trending GIFs, or you can use the search bar at the top to find the exact GIF you're looking for. Simply type in a keyword, like happy or congratulations, and WhatsApp will show you a selection of GIFs related to that word. When you find the GIF you want to send, just click on it. The GIF will automatically appear in your chat, and all you need to do is hit send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC. GIFs are a great way to add some personality to your messages and make your chats more lively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.